So with this illustration, it's pretty clear that the descriptive statistics make analysis very simple, very easy. So that's the reason we will be exploring the descriptive statistics in detail. So first, let's begin with looking into the various types of descriptive statistics, and then once we see in the types of descriptive statistics or categories of descriptive statistics based on the functionality of the tools that we are using, then we will deep dive into the each and every category in this, and then we will do a lot of examples under this. Okay. So, a comprehensive overview of types of descriptive statistics. Yes, certainly there are some types of descriptive statistics which are categorized into organized data. So here, this organized data category consists of various tools that is used to organize your data. Organize your data. And second one, we have the summarize data. So here summarized data category consists of various tools that are used to do the summary of the data. Such we have done it in our previous example where we have taken the average of the class A and average of the class B so that we can answer the question which class is smarter. Which class is smart? Then third one, what we have is additional categories. Here we'll have a few more additional categories that were the additional tools were put it into additional category. So now let's look into the organized data first. In organized data, the first tool is data sorting, as we have discussed. This categorization is based on the functionality of the tool. So, what is data sorting? It's a kind of organization. That's why we put that tool into the organized data. Data sorting, arranging data in a specific order, such as ascending or descending order based on a variable or attribute. Second one, data categorization. Grouping data into categories or classes based on a particular attribute or variable, such as creating bins or categories for continuous data. Then the third one is data tabulation. Everybody uses this, a widely used descriptive statistic tool irrespective of whether they have descriptive statistic knowledge or not. So data tabulation, creating frequency tables or contingency tables to organize data into a tabular format for easy analysis and interpretation. Then the final one under the organized data category, data visualization, creating visual representations of data such as charts, graphs, and plots to organize data in a visually appealing and informative way. So these are all organized data. So the next category is summarized data. So in summarized data, we will begin with measures of central tendency. So measures of central tendency is calculating statistics that summarize the central tendency or typical value of a data set such as mean, median, and mode. Then we have measures of dispersion, calculating statistics that summarize the variability or spread of data. It's called measures of dispersion. So here we calculate statistics that summarize the variability or spread of a data set such as a range, variance, and standard deviation. And then we have measures of shape, calculating statistics that describe the shape, or distribution of a data set, such as skewness and kurtosis. Then percentiles. Percentiles again are calculating the statistics that represent the relative position of a data point within a data set, such as quartiles, deciles, and percentiles. And the final one, last but not least, that is measures of association. Measures of association, calculating statistics that quantify the strength and direction of relationships between variables such as correlation and covariance. So correlation and covariance comes under the measures of association, and measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, measures of shape, percentiles, measures of association comes under summarized data. And final one is the additional categories such as data reduction, techniques for reducing the complexity or size of data, such as sampling. This comes under data reduction. Sampling, aggregation, that we use it widely in analytics, aggregation, or dimensionality reduction methods. Then, data transformation, techniques for transforming data into a different format or scale, such as normalization, again, the widely used descriptive statistics, standardization, or log transformation. And the third one is outlier detection. Techniques for identifying outliers are unusual observations in a data set, such as box plots, G-scores, and Manhalanobis difference, Manhalanobis distance. And the last one, data imputation. So techniques for filling in missing values in a data set, such as mean imputation, median imputation, or regression imputation. So these are just a few examples of how descriptive statistics can be categorized into organizing data, summarizing data, and additional categories. So uh, descriptive statistics play a crucial role in analyzing and interpreting data, and they're widely used in various fields of data analysis, decision making, and problem solving.